To create a recurring transaction in QuickBooks Online, click on your username at the top right of your account homepage. Click on Recurring Transactions under the Lists heading in the menu. The Recurring Transactions page appears. Click on the New button. The Select Transaction Type window appears. Select the type of recurring transaction you want to create from the Transaction Type drop-down. Here, a recurring invoice is being created. Click the OK button. A new recurring invoice page appears. Name the template in the Template Name field. Choose a customer from the drop-down menu. The billing address and shipping address fields are auto-filled for you. Select Scheduled from the Type drop-down menu if you want to set up a schedule to auto-generate the invoice. Now, you can set up the schedule with the Interval drop-down menu. Select the date for invoice generation. Enter the start date and select After from the drop-down menu under End to limit the occurrences. Enter the desired number of invoices in the field next to this. Invoices can be generated in advance by entering a number in the Days in Advance to Create field. Tick the checkbox to automatically send the invoice to the customer once the invoice is created. Select the appropriate terms for the invoice from the drop-down menu under Terms. Now, you can select products or services to add to the invoice from the drop-down menu. Fill in the description, quantity fields and select the tax rate from the drop-down menu. You can add line items to the invoice with the Add Lines button. Once you are done, click on the Save Template button at the bottom right of the page. You are taken back to the Recurring Transactions page. The invoice template you just created is listed. This template can be edited by clicking on the invoice to highlight it, and then clicking the Edit button at the top of the list. You can click on the Use button to use the selected template to create a transaction as and when required. By clicking on the Reminder List button, you can see the list of transactions which are due to be created soon and take action on them.